Welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And today I'm going to show you what I ordered from Ipsy, what I grabbed over at the TJ Maxx, and what I kind of forced my husband into at the arcade. So if you want to check out what I got, stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the...
Alright, like I said, we're just kind of gonna show you a bunch of stuff, okay? Alright. So my husband and I and my son, we love to go to the arcade. It is a great activity for us to do together as a family, and I get to whoop the boys' asses at air hockey, so I'm not really good at a lot of things, but apparently air hockey is one of those things they just can't beat me at. Alright, so we went to the arcade for my son's birthday, and every time we go I try to get my husband to like win me something. And it finally happened. I got a little sushi bag. It's so cute. And it's fuzzy. And I love him. That's not even the best thing. Because I got a little murder guy too. He's got a little knife. It's so cute. I don't know what he is. I called him a murder kitten. It's my little murder kitten. He's so cute. So my husband won me 2 things. Nobody's ever won me anything at an arcade or a game or anything like that before. It's the first time. Alright, so enough of bragging about my husband's claw machine skills. Alright, so made an order with Ipsy, because they always got fun stuff in their add-ons. So the first thing that I ordered was this Keys Soul Care Skin Transforming Cream, and I'm really excited to try this. I have heard great things about the Keys Soul Care line, so I am itching to try it. It has a little stopper thing here. That is what it looks like. I'm going to take a little bit off the top of that real quick. Close that up before I accidentally get it all over the place, because I have that skill. Alright, I am going to massage that into my hand. Feels very silky, not too greasy. Doesn't really smell like anything. We'll see how that dries down. Alright, and then I got the Natasha Denona all over face and body shimmer powder, and it says that it's in the shade dark. So we shall see if that works for me. I did not realize that it was dark, but you know what? We'll check it out. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I smelled it. It's Too Faced's fault. They made their stuff smell like chocolate. Now I gotta smell everything. Alright, so we'll see if that works out. And then I went to see my sister at her work, and she works over in a different city. And she told me that the TJ Maxx up there had Pat McGrath, and I was like, well, I got money and time. I'm gonna go check it out. Well, it turns out that TJ Maxx was closed for some reason. There's a big sign on the door saying that they were having lighting issues. I don't know. The lights were on, so I don't know what they're talking about. But anyways, I didn't get to go. So I was a little bit upset. But then the other day I went to, a couple days later I went to the doctor, and that's in a different county, and they got a different TJ Maxx over there. So I was like, I'll check out, see what they got, and see if they have any Pat McGrath. Because the one that's by me, of course, they're not going to have Pat McGrath. They're not going to carry anything that's really high-end because it's not a great neighborhood that they have that one in. So I went in and I found the Star Wars Sith Seduction eyeshadow palette for $16.99. So I picked that up, of course. And so this is the packaging. Let me put this here so you don't get blinded. And those are the shades. Now they're not, there's no mattes in here, so you obviously you're gonna have to find yourself a different palette to play with alongside this. It's not a full palette in and of itself. I mean, I guess you could use all shimmers, but I don't. So I was excited to get this, and they had some other Pat McGrath stuff, but I didn't need a lipstick and or anything like that, so I didn't get anything else. And then I found the Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronze and Blushing Duo, and it says that the shades are Sunkissed and Bronze Moment, and they have like these Don't Steal Us stickers on here. Alright, and I've never tried anything from Jaclyn Cosmetics, so I'm kind of excited to try it out. Alright, this is the component. Oh, and the top is broken, but that's not a problem. This shade looks quite light. This doesn't scream bronze moment to me. We'll try it out. I paid $12.99 for this, so at least I didn't pay full price. So that is all the stuff I've picked up here and there for like the last week. So we do hauls, unboxings, makeup looks, foundation and concealer wear tests over here. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, I also have a couple of vlogs where I go hiking. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Yeah. Anyways, I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.